Hello again! We are back for another episode of Super Chef Dad. Today we are going to make some wicked good cookies because we are going back to the land of...
Today we're gonna be
I am here with...
I'm Glinda!
and
AKA Zoe.
her evil but also lovable sister.
Alphabet, AKA Alfie.
And I, of course, am the Wizard of Oz and your chef
You
for the
is a
day,
fake.
Matt. All right, you ready to make some cookies?
Wicked.
Are you okay under there? She's really okay. Let's make cookies. In honor of everybody's newest favorite movie, we are gonna do some classic black and white cookies, but instead of black and white, we're gonna do the colors from the movie.
Pink and green.
Pink and green. And also we'll throw in some black and pink ones too, because some people like the chocolate too. What do you think?
No.
All right. Junie, could you tell everybody what you've been up to since the last time we made a video? Makeup? What's, oh, your hat. Yes, let's get her hat. Do you want to sing a song?
No.
So the first part of making a classic black and white cookie is making a really nice, it's almost like a cake. So in here I have a stick of butter and a little more than 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and we're gonna cream it. Everybody remember what creaming butter and sugar means? Uh-huh, yeah. Glenda, what kind of spell is this?
That's mine.
Okay, that's yours. Our butter and sugar are nicely creamed. Remember, that's so important to getting a nice cakey texture. Can you see that? Now, we're gonna mix together our dry ingredients. Baking soda, baking powder, salt, flour. Everybody in, can you help me whisk? Glenda, can you help me whisk?
Hey, I was just about to do my mushi.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mamushi, how could I forget? Alphabet, you can only do the dry ingredients, right? See what I did there? Wicked joke. Come on, people, work with me. And then we have our wet ingredients, milk and sour cream and vanilla. Meanwhile, in TikTok land, Alphabet, no, those are the wet ingredients.
No, she can't have water.
Oh, okay. Now we're gonna add our eggs one at a time until they're incorporated, and then we're gonna alternate adding our dry and our wet until everything is just all perfectly mixed, just like our wonderful family.
Stop. Okay, man.
Okay, ready? One.
Yeah. And how does she get the ruby slippers if those are Glinda's and only Glinda's two friends and Alphabet saw them? So.
Okay, girls, don't fight over the wand. All right, we're gonna add our dry ingredients, a third at a time. A third of the dry, then a third of the wet, a third of the dry again. Isn't this exciting, girls? Don't answer that.
No, I do it.
Oh, okay. Everybody in.
Sing happy birthday.
Very good. Yeah, bravo. All right, you see, for the last edition of the flour, I do it by hand, and it looks like we have a really nice, smooth, light, fluffy cake batter. So I'm just gonna do the first one.
No!
I'm just gonna do
No!
I'm just gonna, okay, just like
And
that.
I am adding more help.
All right, Junie, can you do this one?
No! My turn.
Okay,
You can go back in first.
you're gonna go right there,
Okay.
right there, right where my finger is. Yeah. Junie, do you know any other songs? Bake your cookies until they're golden brown around the edges. It's gonna be 12 to 15 minutes total.
I want to do it.
Rotate your pans halfway through. Oh, okay. Can you look at the camera and tell everybody why you like cookies so much? Look at that. Look how nice and puffy. 5 minutes cooling on the pan, then onto a rack until they're completely cool. Junie, where do the cookies go? Where do the cookies go?
Yeah.
And then, do we eat the cookies? What about the frosting? All right, so our cookies have been cooling for about an hour. Now we're gonna make our frostings.
Go recipe!
All right, and down.
The Glinda's magic wand!
In our bowl, 1 1/4 cups powdered sugar along with a tablespoon of light corn syrup.
Say
oh,
roar.
now she's the
Wait,
lion.
say roar.
3.5 tablespoons of milk.
Say roar. Can you roar?
A little bit of
Roar.
vanilla and a pinch of salt. Then divide it up so that we could color it. Wicked.
Pink and green.
And I'm also gonna do a little bit with the classic cocoa powder and make a real black and white cookie. Everybody together. You hold it, here,
I wanna
gentle.
do it.
Junie, you hold the bowl. All right, now we're gonna add our milk and whisk it all together.
I don't use that height.
How's that? Is that chocolatey enough? I don't want to make it too chocolatey because some of us are very picky about their
I'm
chocolate.
not having a chocolate one.
Okay.
Give me that.
Okay.
Give me that one.
What's the magic word?
Please.
Right? Don't they teach that in magic school in Oz?
Give me mine.
Here, you want me to put it on for you, and then you can spread it just on half. No, just on. No, you don't. What about the rest of the icing for the other people? No, don't double dip. Don't.
Pretend that she never put that in her
We're
mouth.
just gonna pretend that she never put that in her mouth. Well, it's a baby's mouth, and babies' mouths are always clean. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God! Can we get out of here? All right, so we popped our cookies into the freezer for a couple minutes, and the icing is nice. And girls, don't fight. There's plenty of cookies
I
for
go on
every.
the blue chair.
Oh, okay. So sure. There. Okay. Junie, would you agree that Daddy is always perfect and the best?
I do it.
That was a yes.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, you want Daddy to do it? Because Daddy is the wizard.
The wizard's a fake, bro.
Could you stop calling me bro? When did you start calling me bro? When does this happen?
4th grade.
In 4th grade, you started calling your dad bro. Oh, the memories. Very nice. You see, we decorated them.
Okay, so when we're waiting to make our biggest cookie, we're just gonna talk to them other stuff that's trending. Okay, write in the comments below how old were you when you got your ears pierced? Because I want to get yours pierced. I'm pretending.
Okay, good job.
Cookie.
Wow. That was a great episode. Here, check it out. Whoa. Wow. What do you think, guys? Mmm.
The frosting's too sugary.
All right. Well, you always are very hard to please. Well, from all of us here at Wicked Chef Dad, I hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday season. And as always, happy cooking.
Keep cooking. And happy drawing. Glinda only.
You like it? Can you say happy cooking?
Happy cooking. Bye-bye.